Hey Ma, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by Ayiyi Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just continue watching. So Ayiyi Hair will come in this beautiful purple box. It is a little beat up, but that's partially my fault. You are going to get a pair of lashes, a bag with some goodies in it, and in that bag there will be another pair of lashes, an edge wrap, an edge brush, as well as a pin, and also some wig caps, which you can never have enough of as well. Here is the hair. This is a 13x6 lace front virgin hair water wave wig. It is 180% density, 22 inches, and the lace is transparent. Just so you guys know, this particular wig does have a $60 discount. I will have that code listed in the description box as well for you guys. That way you can save you some additional coin, okay? But as you guys can see, the hair is really bouncy, really curly, and the lace was also really nice as well. So now it is time to do the install. As usual, I'm just going to measure the wig to my head. And then once I get it in the position that I like to get it into, then I will go ahead and use my Ebin lace adhesive. I will be doing a glueless install today. You guys know I can't stand using glue. I'll use it if I have to, but I prefer glueless, so yeah. So as you guys can see, I already did apply the spray and then put the wig, on top of wherever I sprayed. But I'm going to go in with the second round just to make sure that it is fully secure. And I'm just going to basically massage it into place, I guess you would say. It's best that you use a comb, like a rat tail comb, versus your fingers, because if you use your fingers, you have oil on your fingers and that will cause the spray, or even if you use glue, to turn white. So that's just a little trick if you guys are having issues with that. Try not to blend it with your fingers. Use the comb instead. Make sure there's no oil on the comb. It might still have some white spots, but this will help avoid any issues with that, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just let that melt, and after that melts, I'm gonna go ahead and trim the lace per usual. I like to get it as close to the hairline as I possibly can. I don't like a lot of lace because that's what the baby hairs is going to be for, so yeah. So because I am extra, I'm going to go in one more time with the spray. I think I do it one more time after this too. I am very I need my wig to be, still. It was already still, but it's like I always just be careful, because after you trim the lace, there are going to be some parts that rise up, you know, that's just natural. So I like to just go in with the spray one more time and just make sure that everything is melted and everything is secure. So next, what you guys are going to see is me plucking the lace. So I have begun plucking the lace when the wig is already on my head. I realized that it caused me less headache. It also helps me to avoid plucking too much hair. So I'm just going to part it basically wherever I know I want baby hairs to lay, and then I'm going to go ahead and pluck the lace, and I'll give you guys some close-ups, that way you can see exactly how I'm plucking it. With this lace front, I did not have to pluck a lot at all. I believe this was already pre-plucked, and like I said, having the wig already secure on your head and then plucking it while it's on your head lets you know how much hair you really need to pluck, and it's just easier to me, honestly. All right, so now it is time for the baby hair. So as you guys saw, I just picked a section in the front, on the lace front, and then I just went ahead and just cut. And I learned that the shorter, well, I don't want to say shorter because I don't want you guys to cut your baby hair super short and then it doesn't work out. But I used to cut my baby hairs too long, and I realized I was having issues, you know, getting the swoop-de-doop. So I cut it a little bit shorter now, and I'm able to get the little swoop-de-doop. Or you can leave the baby hairs a little bit longer and use the mini flat iron to curl it, and then it's easier for you to swoop. But you guys know doing baby hairs is like my least favorite part. However, this time I literally got them done like in less than a minute. Like what you guys are seeing is exactly what happened. Like I'm so proud of myself because I feel like I always struggle with it, but I just got to stop overthinking it. And you guys know I don't like too much baby hair, so I try to keep it minimal. I try to keep it natural, and then of course I go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure everything is laid. Okay, it has to be given scalp. I also do go in with some makeup on the lace front, just, you know, makeup that's more so my color. And then as you guys can see, I'm just doing just a little bit more spray just to make sure everything is secure. Just so you guys know, this lace adhesive is very sticky. When it dries like wax, so it does hold the lace in place. I'm just extra, so I just go in a little bit at a time. As you guys saw, like I never spray too much. I just go in a little bit at a time just to make sure it's super secure. All right, so now it is time to style the hair. So I have these two pieces in the front of my head because originally I wanted like these two little curly fangs in the front, and my stupid self ended up cutting them way too short, way before I added any product. It was my mistake. So towards the end of the video, they're not even gonna be there no more. You guys will see that over time because it just looks stupid. Like, it literally looked like fangs in front of my head, and I was just like, okay, that was a dumb move on my part. But anyways, I'm just going to let you guys watch this part because the visual is very self-explanatory. I did a basic style because I really wanted to show off the curls on this wig. However, it came out super, 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 super cute. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I will come back towards the end. You guys, so that is basically the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. The hair came out way better than I originally expected. I'm not gonna lie. You guys saw earlier that I kind of messed up my little bangs that I was trying to do here, but it ended up working out anyways because the way that the hair falls, I kind of just wanted two little curly pieces in my face. I don't know, I just thought that it would be cute. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. The hair was actually very easy to work with. I barely plucked, as you guys saw. I barely had to pluck the frontal. It was very easy to install. The hair did have some shedding, but I was also like brushing it and maneuvering it when it was dry. And y'all already know when it comes to curly hair, it's best that you do not try to detangle it and stuff like that when it's dry. But you know, in the middle of the styling process or whatever, you kind of have to in certain situations. But other than that, there was no shedding. Like once I wet it and put the mousse in, you guys saw that it went back to its natural curl perfectly fine. There was no issues with that. The only thing that I would let you guys know though, nothing bad, but the one thing that I do want to say though is that even though this is a water wave wig, this density is very, very full. Like this is very, very thick. So I just want to let you guys know ahead of time, it ain't no thin shit. Okay? But yeah, as always, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below for you guys. This hair is super, super, super pretty. And of course, there's plenty of different options for you to choose from. So make sure you check out the description box. It will have the website, social media links, all that good stuff, okay? If you didn't hit that subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give me a very big thumbs up before you click off of this video. That's super important. That will be it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.